Hello friends, today we are going to build our art Ian. This side is K through 2 and this side is 3 through 6. They do make a difference. You can tell by the little smiley face for the K through 2. Those are our table of contents. We're going to get out our sketchbook and skip the first page. That's going to be our title page, just like in a normal book. And eventually we're going to add to that title page. Maybe decorate it with some favorite something or other. Get my glue stick and my Ian rules. So you should have these printed out ahead of time. So our Ian rules are going to go on the very next page after our title page. And when you glue around the perimeter, all 4 sides. And then put an X right in the middle. And then you want to line it up because I made these pages the same size as the pages in the sketchbook. If yours is too small, you can just trim it or always fold it in half. Then turn the page and we're going to glue in our table of contents. So I am going to trim these down. If you trim 3 of the 4 sides, you should fit really well. Now again, glue all your perimeter, all the edges, and then make an X in the middle. Make sure that 1 through 17 is on the left side and 18 through 35 is on the right side. Line it up and smooth it down. Then turn the page. Then you're going to find your color theory paper and your summer sunglass paper. And we're going to glue that in. Remember I said that's going to be your first entry into your sketchbook. And line it up because it's the same size also. This is just a reference page so that we can talk about some of our elements of art as we go. So again, we have our title page. It's blank for now. Then our Ian rules. So our Ian rules state no ripped out pages or torn corners, no scribbling unless I tell you to, or it's assigned. Ian should only be used for art. Date each page. All entries go on the table of contents. That's important. And be colorful and love your Ian. And then the Ian ABCs are accurate, big, colorful, details, and effort. And then you're going to write your name here that says, I, Mrs. Somberg, will follow the Ian rules the best I can. And then when you have free time, you can color that in. So then we have our table of contents, our entry numbers, our page numbers, the date, our medium, if you liked it or not, and the title of your creation. Then we have our color theory and our very first entry. And that's number 1. And then I'm going to write the date, because remember it says date each page. And then I'm going to number all of the pages. I am really fast at numbering. Whew. Notice I'm going in the left corner on the left side and the right corner on the right side. And I'm only going to go to 20 for now. And since this is my first entry, I have to write it in my table of contents. I'm going to write summer sunglasses. That's how I'm titling mine. And then you're going to circle what medium you used. You're going to write page 1 and the date. And then for my friends in kindergarten through 2nd grade, you're just going to put a smiley face as to whether or not you liked doing this project. And there we have it, our art Ian. Ta-da!